How to reduce toilet paper buildup in septic tanks. A septic tank works best when waste breaks down properly inside the system. Too much toilet paper can create clogs, slow drains, and unpleasant odors. If the buildup becomes severe, it may even damage the septic system and lead to expensive repairs. Learning how to reduce toilet paper buildup in septic tanks can help keep your plumbing system clean, efficient, and long-lasting. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Use septic-safe toilet paper. Not all toilet paper breaks down quickly. Thick and multi-layered paper often stays inside the tank longer and creates sludge buildup. Choose toilet paper that is septic-safe, biodegradable, fast-dissolving, free from heavy chemicals or fragrances. Single-ply toilet paper is usually a better option for septic systems. 2. Avoid using too much toilet paper. Using excessive amounts of toilet paper can overload the tank. Try to use only what is necessary during each flush. Simple habits can help. 1. Fold paper neatly instead of wadding it. 2. Flush moderate amounts at one time. 3. Teach family members proper septic care. Small changes can make a big difference over time. 3. Never flush other paper products. Many septic problems happen because people flush items that should never enter the system. Avoid flushing paper towels, wet wipes, tissues, feminine hygiene products, cotton products. Even flushable wipes may not break down properly inside septic tanks. 4. Maintain healthy bacteria. Good bacteria inside the tank help break down waste and toilet paper naturally. Harsh cleaning products can kill these helpful bacteria. To protect the system, limit bleach use. Avoid strong chemical cleaners. Use septic-safe products. Healthy bacteria improve waste decomposition and reduce buildup. 5. Schedule regular septic pumping. Even with proper care, solid waste slowly accumulates inside the tank. Regular septic pumping removes excess sludge before serious problems develop. Most septic tanks should be pumped every 3 to 5 years depending on household size and water usage. Understanding how to reduce toilet paper buildup in septic tanks is important for preventing clogs, backups, and costly septic repairs. Using septic-safe toilet paper, avoiding unnecessary flushing, and maintaining regular septic care can keep the system working properly for many years. Consistent maintenance is the key to a healthier and more reliable septic tank. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.